Welcome back to the Cloudutils Tech Roundup. We start 2013 with the launch of Cloudutils, our portfolio of cloud solutions and services. Today in this video blog we're going to be talking about Cloudutils Secure Radius. Secure Radius removes the burden of managing complex radius service and delivers tangible cost savings. I'm joined by Malcolm Orakoya, our technical specialist, and he's going to talk us through the features and benefits of this cloud service.
Thanks, Vanessa. As Vanessa mentioned, we're hosting a secure radius platform or a service for customers from this year, and I just written on the board here some of the main benefits of this service to enterprises today in comparison to hosting your own in-house radius implementation. Obviously it's a fully managed service, so that removes the management burden from your enterprise IT with dealing with obviously the server maintenance, the radius application maintenance, installation and run of that particular service. It's fully managed by the Cloudutils service, and we provide the support and maintenance for that. What this means is obviously your CapEx expenditure is reduced for radius implementation, as well as your maintenance and support costs, and introduces a predictable OpEx expenditure, so you know exactly how much you're going to be spending either on a monthly, a quarterly or a yearly basis. In addition to that, you have reduced costs and overheads as a result of not having to deal with the hardware and software and support and maintenance that you would normally have to deal with in providing your own in-house radius service. In addition, it's a customizable platform, so it can be customized to include your company colors, your company logos, company information, maybe links or hyperlinks to company websites, intranet or whatever, or any other additional information that you wish to provide within your Radius web portal. Obviously Radius provides main AAA services, the authentication, authorization and accounting, and that service is fully provided under the Cloudutils Secure Radius. There's really nothing that's missing in there. So under the authorization you get to be able to allow access to any user, any device, anywhere at any time. You can do this via propagating a local database within the platform with usernames and passwords, or you can actually authenticate to an external database such as Active Directory or LDAP or SQL, Oracle or Google Apps or something like that, so whatever you're using essentially. You have the authorization where you can control what users can access, what type of facilities the users are allowed to access. You also have within the Cloudutils Secure Radius platform a guest access provisioning system, which allows you to provide access to guest users for a period of time. So you can do that by taking the user's credentials and providing the information to them. You have accounting and analytics, which obviously allows you to keep logs and keeps an audit trail of the access to your network, and that allows you to meet legal requirements if you're required to show what's been going on in a network, who did what, when and why. That's all covered within the Cloudutils Secure Radius service. You have access control. As I mentioned before, you can control what users come into your network, and that goes down to things like devices or attributes that you want to authenticate on. So everything that you get within a standard Radius platform is available within the hosted service that we provide. So if you wanted to do things like, for example, authenticate your corporately issued devices, whether it be a smartphone, a tablet or a laptop, based on an attribute that those devices have, for example maybe a MAC address or a unique attribute of say an iPhone or something like that, or just IP addresses, for example, that the devices have. You can do that quite easily within the hosted service as well. And lastly, down here we have easy provisioning. Obviously in-house service, you need to put your software on the servers and everything else and manage it. With a cloud-based solution, you can actually bring up a virtual radius server to authenticate a particular type of service like Wi-Fi or VPN or SSH access to a particular device very easily and very quickly without any additional overheads or costs or anything like that. So it's a very, very easy provisioning service for administrators, and it allows you to scale as and when required.
Okay, that's great. Thanks very much for that, Malcolm.
No worries.
If you'd like to find out more about Cloudutils Secure Radius or any of the other products available, guest access and app performance, join us on the 29th and 30th of January at Cloud Expo Europe on stand 691, National Hall Olympia, where we'll be launching, and you can enter our prize draw for a chance to win an Apple iPad mini. So we hope to see you there. Thank you.